Hello children, today I am going to start new topic of chapter 2, that is water. Children, as we all know that water is a very important renewable natural resource. Water is a very important renewable. It's a renewable natural resource. 3/4 of the earth's surface. How much area? 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. That's why it is also known as watery planet, the water planet. Clear? 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water, therefore it is also known as water planet. Children, the first life ever began on the water itself. It was the primitive oceans that life began almost 3.5 billion years back. Even today, ocean covers 2/3 of the earth's surface and support a rich variety of plant and animal life. Children, ocean water is saline in nature. Ocean water is saline in nature. Saline in nature means it contains huge amount of salt. That's why it is not fit for human consumption. Ocean water is not fit for human consumption. We cannot utilize this water for domestic purpose because of the presence of salt. We cannot utilize it for any domestic purpose. Now children, fresh water accounts 2.7%. How much? 2.7% fresh water is available for us. Out of this 2.7%, 70% is in the form of ice sheets and glaciers. Ice sheets and glaciers. In Antarctica, Greenland and mountain regions. Now these are the regions which are inaccessible. Because of their extreme locations, they are inaccessible. So only 1% water. How much water? Only 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human consumption. Only 1% of fresh water is available to us for our consumption. And this 1% water is found in the form of groundwater, rivers, lakes, and water vapor, in the form of water vapor in atmosphere. Okay children, so this is how water is distributed on the earth. Now this fresh water is therefore the most precious substance on the earth, because no life is possible without water. We cannot survive without water. And the another important thing is we cannot increase or decrease the amount of water on the earth. Its total volume remains constant. The total volume of water remains constant. Its abundance only seems to vary because it is in constant motion. Water seems to be in abundance because it remains under constant motion through the water cycle. Now, what is water cycle? What is water cycle? It is a process by which water moves from land to atmosphere and again falling down in the form of rain on the ground, which is known as water cycle. Take water cycle. What is water cycle? It is a process through which water evaporates from the land, reaches in the atmosphere, and then again fall on the earth in the form of rain, in the form of snowfall. So there are three processes involved in this cycle. Number one is evaporation, condensation, and the third one is precipitation. Clear? Evaporation means when water changes into water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. When the sun's rays fall on the water bodies, water evaporate and reaches in the atmosphere. Condensation, when water vapor gets cooled and converted into drops of water in the atmosphere, then it is known as condensation. Precipitation, when the drops of water becomes too big in size, they fall on the earth in the form of rain, snowfall, sleet, etc. All these together known as precipitation. Now children,